boys and girls, and welcome to Gorn Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. Alright, so you wish for songs here on this channel, and I bring them up for you. And this time we have you, Demi Saihagios or so. You wished for RUEL's song called Someone Else's Problem. Alright, so nice song here from RUEL. We had him before this channel, and he will for sure come back here. So thanks to you, Demi, we have him here with the song. So let's dive into this one. This is especially for you and for all you RUEL fans. So let's look at the chords. To start with, we have no need for any capo on this one, and I believe we have 6 chords. Yes, 6 different chords. So let's take a look at these. Starting here with the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. The next chord is a bar chord, the B minor. So you place the bar here on the 2nd fret, and you bar all strings except for the last D here in the bass. So with that bar, you need to add also 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the B minor. Next up is the D, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. When we have the E, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. We have 2 bar chords coming up here. First is the F sharp minor. So that's a bar on the 2nd fret. You bar all strings here, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And then we have the C sharp minor, and that's a bar chord now placed on the 4th fret with your bar finger. You bar all strings except for the last D here, and then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And I almost forgot the last chord, so there's actually 7 chords. That's the D minor. Alright, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So 7 chords: A, B minor, D, E, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and the D minor. Alright, so we have actually 2 different strumming patterns here. The first one is used in the verse, and yeah, so it's a little bit different here from this and from the rest of the song. That is a very basic strumming pattern. We'll come to that. But first, let's take a look at the verse and the strumming pattern. The song starts here with A. So grab that chord, the A. And now one strumming around will be about 8 downs. Okay, so it will play like this. Okay, so that was 8 downs, but you want to emphasize certain downs. So you want to emphasize the 1st down, the 4th down, and the 6th down. Sorry, the 7th down. Okay, so 1st, 4th, and 7th. So, and if you notice there, I emphasize in the way that the 1st, the 4th, and the 7th, I play more on the higher notes here, the top strings down here. And all the other downs, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 5th, the 6th, and 8th, I play more on the bass. So I'm pretty much staying up here and chewing on that downs. Okay, so slowly, one round goes like this. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's how you can count in your head. So, and a couple of rounds of it will be. So this is the first strumming pattern, and it's used for a very short period of time here for this song, but it's used here in the verses to begin with. So you're gonna play A, 1 strumming around, then B minor, 1 strumming around. And that's the only two chords we're going to use this strumming pattern. So A1, then B minor, then you're going to play the D, just 6 straight down, so you don't have to emphasize anything for the rest of this verse. So 6 downs on D, then 2 downs on E, then 5 downs on the A, and 3 downs on E. So D6, E2, A5, and E3, like this. D, E, A, E. And that is one round of the chords here for the verse play. All right, so just to summarize this, we had the A, 1 round of the strumming, and B minor, 1 round of strumming. Then comes the D, 6 downs, E, 2 downs, A, 5 downs, and E, 3 downs. Slowly, 1 round will sound like this. A little bit slower than a standard tempo. That is 1 round. For the verses, you're gonna play 2 chord rounds of this for both verses. All right. Then that takes us to the pre-chorus, and we have 2 of them as well here in the song, and they will play it in the same way, both of them. Now you're gonna go into this main strumming pattern. So we're gonna switch now. So it starts with the F sharp minor. So grab that F sharp minor, and 1 strumming round will be about 4 downs, and you want to emphasize now the 3rd down. So it goes like this. That's 1 strumming round. So I played 4 downs there, and I emphasized in the same way here, in the way that I'm playing more on the higher notes, the top strings down here on the 3rd down. All the other downs played on the bass. So 1 round slowly goes. Okay, so bass, bass, top, bass. And a couple of rounds goes. All right, so with that, we're gonna play F sharp minor 2 rounds. Then B minor 1, A1, E2, and then 1 down on the D. Okay, so that is 1 round of the chords, and we're just gonna play this 1 round for both of these pre-choruses here. So F sharp 2, B minor, A, E, E, and D. 1 down plus a pause. That's it. And that takes us to the chorus. All right. So now we're going to continue this same strumming pattern with 4 downs, emphasize the 3rd down. And we're going to play A2, then C sharp minor 2, then F sharp minor 2, then D1, and D minor 1. That's the first round. We're gonna play 2 rounds of this chord progression, and on the second round, you're gonna play exactly the same, but the last D minor chord there, instead of playing 1 strung round there, it will just play 1 down and have a pause there. So I can play 1 round for you of this, and I'm gonna play the last one with the D minor, just 1 down. Okay, so it goes like this: A, C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D, and D minor. That's the ending of the chorus. So you're gonna play 2 rounds of this. I mean, the first round with the D minor strumming, and the second round with just 1 down. And that's it for the choruses. Both choruses goes like this in this song, okay? And after this chorus comes the instrumental play. And it's played after both of these choruses. It's the same as the chorus play. The first instrumental part after the first chorus is played for 1 round of the chorus play, exactly the same: A, C sharp, F sharp, D, and D minor. And the second instrumental part is played with 2 rounds of this. All right. So 2 rounds of this. So that's the only difference between the instrumental parts. And then after the second instrumental part comes an outro, and here you're gonna play just 1 down of the following chords: A, B minor, D, E, A. And that's how this song from RUEL, Someone Else's Problem, ends. So yeah, that pretty much covers it. It was special for you, Demi, Sai Hogios. Sorry if I butchered your name there, but anyway, I think you know who you are. And for all you RUEL fans, I know you are many out there. So thank you for interacting with me here on this channel. I read everything, and I try to do my best to cover as many songs as I can, especially the Wish Wednesdays, which I love. And usually it's just one every Wednesday. It takes time and effort to keep it up. So yeah, bear with me, guys. I do my best here. So anyway, keep on wishing here, and perhaps it's your song next time. Until then, play tune.